Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to enable Remix Reel option on your old reels on Instagram. Remix Reel is a new feature in Instagram where it allows you to react to a reel video. This is a similar feature like Duet in TikTok. This has just recently been released, so do watch my other video on how to remix to a reel. Link should appear at the top right. So for anyone who's wondering why some of the reels you're watching don't have this option, well, the reason is that for any old reels, Remix this reel option has been disabled. However, you can enable the option on your old reels to remix the reel. For any new reels uploaded, by default, it is enabled. So to begin with, let's open up your Instagram app. Now go to your profile page by tapping on your profile photo at the bottom right. Now tap on one of your old reel, then tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Here you'll see an option to enable remixing. Tap on that. Now your reel is set up for remixing. When someone watches your reel, they'll see the option to remix the reel. And that is how to enable the option to remix this reel on your Instagram. Hope this has been helpful to you. If it has, then please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.